Woo! What's up, guys? My name is Alyssa. So today I am coming at y'all with a new video. I'm going to be twisting my hair and doing a twist out because I haven't washed my hair in about like a week, so it needs a good cleaning. So I have my hat on because my hair was looking really bold and I had somewhere to go. Don't mind the music and the phone in the background because my sister is playing The Sims. So, but if you keep watching this video, you'll see how I do my twist out. Decadence cleanser and the One Condition Decadence conditioner, the Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner, the Melt into Moisture deep conditioner, and then I have an oil mixture, and then I have a Shea and Coconut curling custard. Okay guys, so I just washed my hair. Now what I'm about to do is I'm about to put some conditioner in it and condition for about I would say about like 20 minutes. Ooh! I'm about to put nice little conditioning cap on. You feel me? You feel me?
Hey, can I ask you something?
Ooh!
Text on red, and it ain't no hesitant. Boy, ain't gonna ask again. Now you got me.
Okay, so I put the conditioning cap on. So I will be back in about 20 minutes. Okay, so I just washed my hair after waiting the 20 minutes. So now I'm about to put in my deep conditioner. Hey! I'm a what? I'm a bad man, but I'm a sucker for love like I'm an addict. If you get it, then I get it, if I get it, I'ma kill it, baby, you get it, meaning on the floor, like, baby, you so freaking weird, kissing on my lips and weird, sitting on position, you ain't never got a soul now. I could be the lover of your life, I just wanna be under the clothes for the night, bad, girl, take a look around, put your hands in the air, listen it's on down. So, I just put the deep conditioner in my hair, so I'm about to sit under a dryer for about another 20 minutes. Okay, so I just washed the deep conditioner out of my hair. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to part it into 4 sections, and then I'm going to put leave-in conditioner in it. And then after I put the leave-in conditioner in it, I'm going to put some oil in it, my oil little mixture. And then after I do that, I'm going to twist with my curling custard.
Stop listening to things you say, cause you don't mean it anyway. Yeah. Feel away, young nigga, feel away. I try, William.
like this. Really?
I had to let go of us to show myself what I could do. And that just shouldn't sit right with you.
Amanda, what is up? Can you get out?
On purpose.
Okay, okay, get it, what? Okay, you already know what's about to go down. About to go down, what? Yeah. So basically how I do my twist is, hold on. I just take 2 strands and I just twist it like that. Until it's twisted like that. And then, so that's my first twist. So now I just twist the rest of my hair. Since I showed you the first twist, I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna finish this side, and I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like, and I will undo it. I will untwist it tomorrow so you can see the finished results. Okay guys, so it's the morning after I did my twist out. So now I'm just about to show you how I unravel my twist. So first what I do is I take my little oil concoction, slide some in between my fingers, and I take the twist down with this part, and I unravel it that way. And the reason I do it that way is for I won't disturb the curl, and I put oil on my hands so I can tame my frizz. And then I just separate the twist like that, so it look like that. And I do that to all of my twists in my hair. So this is what my twist out came out to look like. This is what it looks like. Very defined. Okay. You feel me? And this is the back of it. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? So yeah, this is what the finished product looks like. Thank you for watching this video and spending some time with me. Please like and subscribe and comment below what's your favorite natural hairstyle. Thanks for watching.